Strength the immunity system. Mango is rich in vitamin C and A, which increase the body immunity. Improve skin. Mango contains vitamin C and vitamin A, which make the skin glowing and healthy, beneficial for eyes. Good for heart health. The hair wash. Potassium and vitamins help maintain a healthy hair. Beneficial for hair. Vitamin A and vitamin E present in mango make hair strong, thin and shine. If you are a diabetes patient, then you should not consume too much mango. Consuming one or two mangoes a week might be sufficient.